Make it snow right in your own kitchen with the S900a electric shaved ice machine. Make a margarita, slushie, granita, iced coffee, or any other frozen snowball treat you can think of. Your own icy treat station at home. The Hawaiian shaved ice countertop Snocone maker is simple to use and clean. Portable, easy to store when not in use. Use cube ice, bagged ice, or make your own with the ice cups. Set includes home use electric S900a shaved ice and snow cone machine, 2 round block ice cups, a non-slip mat, and a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Powdery, perfectly chewable shaved ice. Prepare cool treats quickly at sleepovers, small pool parties, birthday parties, and other family and friend get-togethers. Here are the key features of Hawaiian shaved ice S900a snow cone and shaved ice machine. Make 2 snow cones per ice block. High quality, multifunctional machine comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Give your blender a break and put a new twist on your evening cocktail. Add flavor to your margarita and other drinks, granitas, seltzers, Italian soda, issy, black coffee, hot chocolate, slushy, smoothies, shakes, popsicles, cola, and more. Standard 120-volt electrical plug-in. The S900a electric shaved ice machine is easy to operate and stores conveniently away when not in use. Our syrups are best for food allergies. Shelf-stable high-fructose corn syrup requires no refrigeration and is nut-free. None of the flavors contain soy, wheat, dairy, starch, flour, or egg products. Most syrups have a shelf life of 2 to 3 years. Not from concentrate, no need to add water. Add a dash of flavor to nearly anything with our wide variety of syrup options at a great value. Not just for a shaved ice or snow cone machine. Check out our whole line of syrups, accessories, snow cone machines, and cotton candy makers. Your own mini retro concession stand, right on your own kitchen counter. 5.5 inches wide, 8 inches diameter, and 12 inches tall, which makes it easy to tuck under the counter or in a cabinet. All-purpose ice machine shaves or crushes ice from cubes or pucks, makes snow, slushy snow right in your own kitchen. This S900a shaved ice machine by Hawaiian Shaved Ice is the perfect home use appliance to make shaved ice, snow cones, snowballs, slushies, margaritas, and much more. Fun and easy to use. With its 3-piece design, you can assemble the machine in a matter of seconds. It comes with 2 ice molds to freeze ice, a non-slip mat, and instruction manual. Scoop the icy treat into a cup or cone, add syrup, and you're ready to enjoy. To use, fill the reusable ice molds with water and let them freeze overnight to produce small, round blocks of ice. Next, allow the ice to thaw for 5 to 7 minutes before shaving. When the ice is thawed and easy to remove from the mold, place it into the ice crusher cup. Then, place the motor unit in position and gently press down on the motor assembly to shave a mound of soft fluffy snow from the dispenser right into your bowl or cup in the tray below. Just add ice. It's really that simple to get crunchy ice for carnival snowballs. Carnival nostalgia at home on the cheap. The State Fair nostalgia of s'mores, waffle cones, ice cream, cotton candy, popcorn, the soda fountain cart, elephant ears, hot dogs, corn dogs, fried chicken, chocolate treats, and shaved ice snow cones. Vintage fun for everyone. Perfect for bingsu and other Asian shaved ice sweet concoctions. Important, never insert your fingers into the machine. Always watch out for the blade and read the instruction manual before operating. The design of the Hawaiian shaved ice machine makes it a great countertop appliance. The machine is designed to be quickly disassembled for storage. The S900a machine plugs directly into any standard household electrical plug and features an adjustable, stainless steel blade. Additional ice molds and replacement blades are available and sold separately. To sweeten and flavor your treats, choose from our wide selection of flavors. Sweeten up that slush with fantastic syrup flavorings like root beer, sour green apple, pink bubblegum, banana, peach, tropical mango, wedding cake, pina colada, lemon lime, pineapple, and tiger's blood, not really from a tiger. It's a perfect mix of watermelon, strawberry, and coconut. Our syrups make a great drink mixer.